Well, I was shooting my Marlin 1894, made in 1900, yesterday, and got down to the last stage and broke the extractor, the ejector. Spring broke on it. They're very rare. They're made different than the current model piece that has a hole through the frame for this peg to stick through, and difficult to find, expensive if you find one, and you got to pay shipping. So I've kind of derived a plan. This is a spring that's used in a two-piece firing pin in a Marlin 1894. They're fairly plentiful. If you change out from a two-piece to a single firing pin, these are left over, and these are easily obtained if you need another one. So my plan is I'm going to try to drive out this broken piece here. I'll cut off the tab on one of these and try to put it in place and then stake it in. I think it'll pretty much duplicate the curve of the original and length. So we'll give this a try. It'd be nice to have a purpose-made punch for this, but I'm going to just try with this little drift punch, see if I can catch that edge. Well, that was no effort at all. I think I just stake that in there and trim off the excess bump here. Well, this will be the trick, trying to get the right kind of a strike on this to get this to smash in and hold into place. Not sure what measured blow works, but that seems to be reasonably secure. I don't think I'm going to attempt any more hammering on it. We'll put this in and see how it works. I have an empty in the chamber. It's awkward reaching around this this camera here, but I'll see if it looks like it works. Took a lot more time to set up the camera than it did to actually fix it, so hopefully we'll see how it runs.